Force is a vector quantity. Therefore, it can be resolved into components in a given direction. And these components are what we call the resolution of a force. See, in our mechanical engineering syllabus, we encounter many engineering problems. And for that, we need this kind of resolution of forces in order to solve the numerical. And generally, they are in orthogonal directions. Now let's understand this concept. Let's consider a force F is in a xy plane at an angle theta with the x-axis, as you can see here. The magnitude of the resolved part of forces along x and y directions would be what? We all know F cos theta in the x direction and F sin theta in the y direction. This is a very simple concept. But when we are looking at the y direction, the resolution of force in the y direction, that is F sin theta, we can write it as F cos 90 minus theta also. Simple trigonometry. That means Fx, that is the resolution of force in the x direction, is F cos theta, and the resolution of this particular force in y direction is F cos 90 minus theta, that is equivalent to F sin theta. So we can say the resolved part of a given force in a given direction is equal to the magnitude of the force multiplied with the cosine of the angle between the line of action of the force and the direction. And the magnitude of such force is given by under root fx square plus fy square. That means under root of resolution of the force in the x direction and resolution of the force in y direction added with their squares.